You take my love for granted. Say a bunch of stuff you never mean, yeah. I think I need a minute to figure out my limits. You cross them more than once, yeah.
There are 3 types of dumplings that I recommend. The 3 types of dumplings have completely different flavors.
Getting closer to just being nothing else. I'm a sucker for your love, even though it's kind of toxic, babe. You know I feel it when we touch. That your love is from a different place. It's toxic, babe. Not sure what I expected. To think you wouldn't be so reckless. I keep on pretending I know it better.
Black pork dumplings.
More than once, yeah. You take my love for granted. We keep on talking about
Dumplings with lots of vegetables.
getting closer to just being nothing else. I'm a sucker for your love, even though it's
Dumplings with lots of onions.
you know I feel it when we touch. That your love is
For starters, he said, enjoy the flavor as it is, without any sauce. The bar here serves good champagne by the glass for cheap.
nothing more to say. Let's just waste away. One more time.
These are bite-sized dumplings that are easy to eat. It's really good, even if you don't put anything on it. The flavor of the black pork is amazing. 3 different sauces. The black pork dumplings should be served with a berry sauce. It's full of vegetables, and the taste makes you want to eat a lot of them. You can enjoy the sweetness of the onions. Vegetable-filled dumplings with mustard. Onion-filled dumplings with rock salt and truffle oil sauce. This is my first time drinking this rosé. It has a refreshing taste with a hint of berries. I like this. This is a 100% Japanese beef sausage. I ordered the truffle candy rice recommended by the owner. It's about $8 for a Japanese fresh egg topped with so many truffles. The sauce on top is an egg white and salt sauce. It goes great with truffles. You can even take home some dumplings.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.